Next, it's time for the speech from graduating students.
Valmistuvan opiskelijan puheen tulee pitämään International Business-tutkinto-ohjelmasta valmistunut Mrs. Samari Dasanaika. Tervetuloa, Samari.
Hello to all the beautiful, wonderful people around us today. I hope you all enjoy the evening. Being here and addressing you all fills me with honor and joy. I'm grateful to OAMCO for extending me this golden opportunity on this memorable day. I'm Samari Dasanaika. I graduated from the degree program in International Business with Bachelor of Business Administration. My roots trace to Sri Lanka, a very small island located in the southern part of Indian Ocean. I moved to Finland exactly 16 years before, on my graduation date, 22nd of May 2007. In 2019, I sat for the entrance exam and earned my place in the International Business program. Getting into the degree program was already a dream come true for me. However, I knew that there was a long road ahead. Do you remember your first day on campus? For me, it feels as fresh as yesterday. I started my journey at Teuvo Pakkalan campus with an expected 6 months baby bump. In the middle of the study program, I took 1 year medical leave as we were blessed with the little bundle of joy. In 2020, I started studying with a new group of students. That day was another challenging one for all of us because our campus had been moved to Linnanmaa. None of us had any idea where to go or what to do. However, it was a very exciting week of orientation, even while maintaining social distance. On the last day of the orientation, there was another twist. It was announced that starting the following week, we would have all our lectures online due to the COVID-19 situation. Anyway, we all pushed through our first year of studying as full-time online students. I think you all can agree with me that most of us knew our classmates from their voices. We knew this voice belonged to this person, but couldn't recall their faces. Only after the second year did we really have a chance to get to know each other. Most of us were from different backgrounds, different ages, different cultures, and so on. But inside the classroom, inside the OAMCO, we became a unified force. We helped each other, we encouraged each other, and we learned from each other as we all had different talents and abilities. We tried our best to get the best outcome for all of us. We learned to respect each other, their culture, and their personalities. This is the beauty of studying at OAMCO. We have always had and will have an international atmosphere on our campus. I must admit, being a mom of 3 very energetic boys, meeting my assignment deadlines and studying for the exams, doing all of these at the same time wasn't a piece of cake. I know we have lots of people sitting here today who were in the same situation or got busy with jobs or other life challenges. We have all experienced really stressful situations and spend sleepless nights trying to meet deadlines or last-minute study sessions. I know one of my friends who is sitting here right now mixed up the textbook that we had to study for one of the exams. That person found out about it just a few hours before the exam, when he started to revise the notes with another classmate. Hearing the words, "Dude, all your notes are from the wrong book," you can imagine his stress level at that moment. I just mentioned those moments, so you can pause for a second and think back. Even though those moments were some of the hardest to bear during that time, today we all stand together holding our heads right up high and celebrate our graduation because of the sacrifices we made and because of the sacrifices our loved one made. We can all be very proud of our achievements. I also have to thank each and every teacher at OIMCO because of your dedication of teaching us and taking the best of us, and also because of the great support you all gave us during our study time. We were able to achieve our goal. Today we are here because of you all, so thank you. Also, we cannot forget the other staff members of OIMCO. Even though as students, we didn't see you often, whenever we needed a helping hand, you all were always there to help us. So thank you very much for that. Finally, I would like to say that after today, we will all take our own paths. Some of us will continue studying, some of us will continue with our current jobs, and some of us will start applying for jobs or looking for new challenges. Wherever we go, we must remember to trust ourselves, be brave, and challenge ourselves to create our own path in life. It will pay off one day. Remember to celebrate on a large scale and enjoy the summer we all deserve. Haluaisin sanoa muutaman sanan suomeksi myös. Useimmat meistä olivat eri taustoista, eri ikäisistä, eri kulttuurista ja niin edelleen. Mutta luokkahuoneessa OIMC:ssa meistä tuli yhteinen voima. Auttoimme toisiamme, kannustimme toisiamme ja opimme toisiltamme. Siellä meillä kaikilla oli erilaisia kykyjä ja taitoja. Teimme parhaamme saadaksemme parhaan mahdollisen lopputuloksen meille kaikille. Opimme kunnioittamaan toisiamme, heidän kulttuuriamme ja persoonallisuuksiamme. Se on OIMC:ssa opiskelun kauneus. Kampuksella on aina ollut ja tulee aina olemaan kansainvälinen ilmapiiri. Juhlimme valmistumistamme tekemimme urausten ja läheistemme tekemin urausten vuoksi. Voimme kaikki olla erittäin ylpeitä saavutuksistemme. Minun täytyy myös kiittää jokaista OIMCO-opettajaa, koska olette omistautuneet opettamaan meitä ja ottamaan meistä kaikkien irti. Ja koska olette kaikki antaneet meille suurimmoista tukea opiskeluaikana, pystymme saavuttamaan tavoittamme. Tänään olemme täällä teidän kaikkien ansiosta, joten kiitos. Emme voi myöskään unohtaa OIMC:n muuta henkilökuntaa, vaikka opiskelijoina emme näe heitä usein, aina kun tarvitsemme auttavaa kättä. Te kaikki olette aina valmiina auttamaan meitä, joten kiitos paljon siitä. Lopuksi haluaisin sanoa, että tämän päivän jälkeen me kaikki kuljemme omia polkujamme. Jotkut meistä jatkavat opiskeluja, jotkut meistä jatkavat nykyisissä toissamme ja jotkut meistä alkavat hakea toita. Minne ikinä mennekin, meidän on muistava luottaa itsemme, olla rohkeita ja haastaa itseemme luomaan omat polkumme elämässä. Muistakaa juhlia sydämeen kylvyydestä ja nauttia kesästä. Me kaikki ansaitsemme se. Kiitos vielä kerran opettajallemme, perheellemme, ystävillemme ja kaikille läheisillemme kaikista. Onneltu meille. Tavoittaan teille kaikille ihana ilta ja mahtava kesä. Kiitos paljon. Once again, thank you to our teachers, families, friends and all the loved ones for everything. Congratulations to us. I wish you all a wonderful evening and a great summer. Thank you very much.